Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Analytics 4 for strategy reporting detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.google.com/analytics and press enter. You will be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down will appear with different Google services. Select Analytics from the list. You will be prompted to enter your Google account email. Type in your email address associated with Google Analytics and click Next. Now, enter your password in the field provided. Click the Next button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will see the Google Analytics dashboard. Locate the property you wish to analyze from the accounts listed on the left side of the screen. Click on the property name to open the reporting view. Explore various reports available in the left sidebar. For specific strategy reporting, navigate to the Reports section. Choose the relevant report depending on your analysis requirements. You can customize your date range in the top right corner for more tailored insights. For deeper analysis, consider creating custom reports or dashboards. Review the data presented for actionable insights. Familiarize yourself with key metrics available for your strategy reporting. When finished, you can log out by clicking on your account icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged into Google Analytics 4 for strategy reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.